I'm Yvette, and this is my colleague Federico. In this series, we're going to work together to build a game of chess with custom mechanics using JavaScript. We're creating this from scratch, so we're both really excited about working together to figure out exactly how to build this game. If there's anything you'd like to see as we dig into this project, just let us know in the comments below or in chat if you're joining us live on stream.
Yvette, before we get going, I thought of sharing this cool website called leadchess.org. It could be an interesting place for people who want to dig deeper into chess related technology and mechanics. They're a nonprofit, all of their source code is available on GitHub, so go play some games, watch some games, become a better player, and with that, let's get going. What I was thinking of is maybe we can do a quick introduction, talk about yourself, talk about ourselves, then talk a bit about what we're building, a chess game. After that, you shared some great ideas on how we can make the game more fun. Ben, one of our coworkers, also shared a bunch of chess variations I was not aware of. So I was thinking maybe we can go through some of those and just see how we're gonna. I'm not gonna say improve the game. How we're gonna make the game different. And lastly, before we close, I'd like to talk a bit about the technology that we're gonna be using. Is there anything else that you think would be useful to cover for folks who are just going to be watching this video, tuning in, and not having a clue about what we're doing?
Um, I'm I might say if we have time, because we're talking about the technology that we're going to be using to build the actual game, like maybe we can talk about how logic works in a chess game anyways. Um, because my mind has sort of been circling around like how do you build chess in in terms of like code logic. Um,
I'm good to go. What I'm going to do? Let me share this instead. I'm just going to go to this website. I don't know if you're familiar with leeches. I hope I'm pronouncing this right.
I checked it out after you mentioned it the last time.
Okay, we can just get here, get running. Uh, just gonna be doing some of this while you maybe do you want to introduce yourself?
Oh God, how do I even? I guess I'm Yvette. I live in Northwest Georgia. I am originally an artist and then a longtime support professional, and now I guess a DevRel engineer or more of a junior engineer. I've always sort of dabbled in code, mostly from the design side, but this is sort of my first experience actually trying to build things from the inside out, I guess. Otherwise, I like dorky things. I collect a lot of cute stuff. Um, I am a
Do you have some
lazy
cute
artist because I don't draw
stuff?
as much.
Do you
I
have
have
cute
so
stuff around
many.
you that we can see?
I have. There's a lot to choose from. I also like horror, so maybe I'll show you some of my. So, like many people, I have a bunch of like pop figurines. Here's my little Cthulhu. He's very precious.
Amazing! He's so cute.
He is so cute. There's also I can't remember this character's name, like Sochi or something. He's from the Junji Ito sort of universe of horror stories. Very creepy dude. Um, I love horror. Junji Ito is one of my favorite authors just because he makes a lot of really unnerving stuff. This is one of my many dumpster fire thingies. This guy is their plushie, but I have a lot of their figurines too. Um, I'm actively waiting for them to drop a new color variant of their Pusheen um, vinyl
What's up?
figurine.
What's that? You will need to educate me
So
because I had no clue what a
Pushin's like
Pujin
a
is.
little kitty cat mascot. He's very cute. Um,
Okay.
and so they made a dumpster fire that is designed after Pushin. I guess it's a collaboration. And here's
Um,
Detective Pikachu sitting in the dumpster.
I have a question for you. How familiar are you with chess?
I know how the pieces are supposed to move and in one direction, and which directions. Um, and that's about it. I'm not a chess strategist. um, I think the only thing that I've ever been sort of hazy on is I don't fully understand how the pawns are supposed to move. But for the most part, I understand like knights move in an L figurine, bishops bishops I think
Okay.
move diagonally, rooks move straight. Um, king is one piece at a one space at a time in any direction, and the queen can do sort of like anything. She has massive
I think that's
movement
going to
speed.
be useful then because then we can go start and going through the mechanics of chess. I mistake of getting a game started, but I'm in a position where I'm not very sure how to proceed. So I was expecting like, oh, is maybe Yvette gonna be able to save me because I really don't know how we're gonna beat this anonymous fella. Um,
Oh
yeah,
man. Oh, you're actually playing a game of chess.
yeah.
Oh.
I just got this started to get the what juices flowing. I don't know what kids say these days. I know that the beyond the movement. I mean, this is the big bad fella that we need to take care of. We want to build some sort of castle around them. Um, but this is oh look, we're getting some. I know I wanted to move it all the way. No,
No.
oh, I hate my laptop mouse. I'm just gonna rage quit. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And
Rage
yes,
quit.
that was just I just gave the thing away.
At least give them your
So
king.
goodbye. You won. It's done. It's done.